on occasion of World Environment Day on 5th June today, I wish to congratulate and greet all those who are present today. We are standing today at Varje forest area within Pune municipal limits. Within Pune municipal limits, there are about 2,200 hectares of forest land, which amounts to about 9,000 acres. These forest lands were once located outside the limits of municipal corporation, but with the expansion of urbanization, these forests have come now within the, almost in the center of the city. But because of increasing urbanization and because of explosion of our population, these areas are always under the threat of encroachment. So, one such area which is Varje, here there used to be a lot of encroachment in terms of people settling there, and there was a lot of filth strewn around. On this 25 hectares of Varje, in 2015, with the cooperation and inspiration of our Honorable Minister Shri Prakash Javadekar Sahib, a pioneer undertaking was undertaken by Forest Department to develop this forest area into a urban forest park, which was till now never heard of. The idea behind this was, in order to secure this land, in order to protect this land, we have to develop stake of local people into this forest land, and for that, it was thought that this area should be converted into a recreational, ecological and environmental green spot for the people around, in order to maintain their physical and mental health. Today, it boasts of 6,500 trees over an area of 25 hectares, and about 1,000 people every day visit here. Now, this pioneering effort which has been undertaken here in Varje in 2015 and which has very successfully resulted into an involvement of local people as well as various sectors of other daily life, can be replicated all over India to secure and protect the forest areas which are within the city and to provide the city people their green lands.
Pune, the sprawling city known as Oxford of the East, is the cultural capital of Maharashtra. It is also popular for its temperate climate. It is one of the fastest growing cities in the Asia-Pacific region. Varje, situated on the bank of Mutha River, has catchment area in the western hills that brings along fertile soil and sufficient water for farming. After 1970, the area has gone through a lot of changes with significant increase in population. From a village, Varje has turned into a suburb. The central government, led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, took a significant and ambitious step to increase the green cover on barren lands. The project, Urban Forest, then started under the able guidance of Mr. Prakash Javadekar, Minister for Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Government of India. The Forest Department, Government of Maharashtra, extended great help to this project in all possible ways. The total area of the hill is around 16.8 hectares. Until some years ago, the hill was totally barren and was used as a dump yard by the residences in its. It was eventually encroached. Stressing on the need of creating a balance between development and environment conservation, corporates like Tata Motors and Persistent Foundation extended their support to NGO working for environment. TER Policy Center, a Pune-based NGO, donated plants of 7 to 8 feet high for the project. Public-private participation, as seen in Varze, is the best example of this PPP initiative. That's how Smriti 1 came into existence. A number of citizens have planted and adopted trees in the memory of their loved one. During the years 2015 to 2017, a total of 9,500 trees of 7 to 8 feet height were planted in the area under CSR initiative. Presently, the same trees have grown to 20 to 30 feet height. The neglected land is now transformed with a rich biodiversity of 23 plant, 29 bird, 15 butterfly, 10 reptile and 3 mammal species. The project also helps in absorbing approximately 1,29,000 kilograms carbon dioxide and producing 5,62,000 kilograms oxygen per year. There are 5 water ponds that fulfill the need of watering the plants. To ensure water supply for the plants in dry seasons, water tankers are presently pressed into service. However, with improving groundwater level over the years, the area will have surplus water for use by others also in the near future. The number of visitors to Varze Smriti 1 has increased tremendously since the last couple of years, and currently more than 1,500 visitors come for daily morning and evening walk. This patch of green forest is turning out to be a boon for nature lovers. Undoubtedly, the project Urban Forest is helping in maintaining the ecological balance, serving both environmental and social development goals. It is a step in the right direction towards bettering the life of the generations to come. Cities have gardens, but no forests. This is the beginning of creating 200 forests in the next couple of years under the Nagar 1 scheme.